The MQ-9 Reaper is a long-endurance, armed drone that is used by the US military for a variety of missions, including surveillance, target acquisition, and attack. It is one of the most advanced drones in the world, and its acquisition by India would be a significant boost to the Indian military's capabilities. The deal has been met with mixed reactions in India. Some people have welcomed the acquisition, arguing that it will help India to better defend itself against its adversaries. Others have expressed concerns about the use of armed drones, arguing that they are inherently indiscriminate and that their use could lead to civilian casualties. I believe that the MQ-9 Reaper drone deal is a complex issue with no easy answers. On the one hand, the acquisition of these drones would give India a significant military advantage. On the other hand, there are legitimate concerns about the use of armed drones, and it is important to carefully consider these concerns before making a decision. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to acquire the MQ-9 Reaper drones is a political one. However, I believe that it is important to have a public debate about this issue so that the Indian people can understand the implications of the deal and make their voices heard. Here are some of the pros and cons of the MQ-9 Reaper drone deal. Pros. The MQ-9 Reaper is a highly capable drone that would give India a significant military advantage. The drones could be used to improve India's surveillance and intelligence capabilities. The drones could be used to target terrorists and other threats to India's security. Cons. The use of armed drones could lead to civilian casualties. The drones could be used for offensive purposes, which could escalate tensions with India's neighbors. The deal could be seen as a sign of India's increasing dependence on the United States. I believe that the MQ-9 Reaper drone deal is a complex issue with no easy answers. However, I think it is important to have a public debate about this issue so that the Indian people can understand the implications of the deal and make their voices heard.